So one of the ways by which you can go ahead and add in your form made in Jotform as an embedded content is by using a feedback button embed. So here I have the sample page, and let's say I want to add in a feedback button right here. So to do that, you can simply go to Publish, and then you can go to the embed section, and here you can see that feedback button is an option. Go ahead and click, and then you get this script right here. Let's just go ahead and copy, and then I'm going to go ahead and access the code of this page right here. So let me just go ahead before the division element and paste this out right here, just like this, and save it. Once I do that and refresh out my page, you can actually see a feedback button over here on the left hand side that is attached to the left. So you can go ahead and click, and then in the feedback, you will be able to see the form load up, which is interactive, as you can see right here, just like this. And when this form is loaded, you can see that everything else is darkened out as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the feedback button embed option inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.